Need to create professional diagrams, mind maps, or floor plans without the usual headache? In this video, we're looking at SmartDraw, a platform built to make high-quality, data-driven diagramming accessible to absolutely everyone. If you've ever struggled with clunky design tools, SmartDraw aims to solve that. It positions itself as an intuitive, easy-to-use alternative that delivers enterprise-level power without the steep learning curve. Whether you are mapping out a complex workflow, brainstorming with a mind map, or utilizing its leading floor planning tools, the focus here is on ease of use. One of the standout features of SmartDraw is its focus on data-driven diagramming and seamless collaboration. Instead of manually drawing every single line, you can leverage data integrations to help automate and organize your visuals. Plus, because it's built with collaboration in mind, you can easily work with your team in real time to get projects done faster. Now, let's talk about user feedback. While we don't have a massive database of external user reviews to share today, the platform's core focus is clearly on simplicity and robust data privacy, featuring clear options like do not sell or share my personal data to keep your information secure. If you want a tool that blends data integrations, floor planning, and clean visuals without the complexity of traditional CAD software, head over to smartdraw.com to check it out for yourself. What kind of diagrams are you planning to build first? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you in the next video.